What's up, guys? It's Discovery Animal here, and today we're going to be making a rain gauge. So a rain gauge is something that measures rainfall. So we're going to use this ruler. This is going to measure the inches. It's going to measure the inches of rainfall. Now, the size really doesn't actually matter, because no matter how big it is, it's always going to be the same height. Like if I were to have someone like a rain gauge twice as big as this, like twice as wide, it would collect more, but it would have a larger surface that it'll have to fill the rain on. So it'll be the same height of rainfall. Anyways, you're going to need a plastic bottle, some modeling clay, pebbles or gravel, anything that will keep it heavy so that the wind doesn't blow it off. You also need tape and, as I mentioned earlier, a ruler for measuring. So first you're going to have to cut off the top section somewhere around here on your plastic bottle. And it has to be large enough. It has to be like large. And then you flip it over like this. But before that, you have to take your pebbles or gravel and put it on at the bottom like that. And then this is the modeling clay, which you're going to put above it so that it'll be an even surface. Because if you don't put it, the water's going to leak into the gravel, and then it won't be accurate measurement. So the modeling clay is supposed to level the water so that it'll be equal. Make it as smooth and flat as you can, and also around the same diameter as the bottle. So once that's done, then put this back on. Take your tape and your ruler, and then you make your ruler as close to the top of the modeling clay as possible with the inches side right here, like something like that. And then you take your tape and tape it to that very spot. Once you've done that, tape it as I have here, like from the middle, the top, actually from the middle of the bottom, all the way to the top. Just gonna need a little more tape here. Good. Now you can actually put this back. And do you know what we've just done? I'm pretty sure you can guess. We finished our rain gauge. Now, just wait for a rainy day, and then once you find out that it's rainy, take this out, measure the rainfall. Have fun! Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!